Today we are going to look at another perfume for women that is from Swiss Arabian and which is Anara Oud. So a lot of people, they don't know about this perfume, and I don't think there are many reviews about it. So this is Anara Oud and I really love the color of this perfume, the juice, and this has an ambery red maroonish color, and this is the juice inside it. So this is the box it came with. Let me show you the box. So this is the box. Nothing very fancy, but this is the box and this is the bottle. I really love the bottle actually. So now for me, I'm going to describe it as simple as I can. This is a dry down. It has lychee, saffron. It is sweet, very nice, very nice for women. I think it's a winter scent. It's a little bit of powdery too. So I'm going to give it a spray and let's see how it evolves. I'm going to give you all the perfume notes, whatever I can sense. I'm not that experienced, so let's spray it. Oh, initial spray is lychee with some saffron. I normally detect a lot of lychee with saffron. It is a little bit powdery. I really enjoy its initial spray. This is really nice stuff for women. And then it has a vibe of another perfume. I think that was Oud Abiad, the black one. So it is a bit similar in profile to that one because that one is also for women. If you remember my another review about Oud Abiad, which is the black bottle Oud Abiad from Oud series Swiss Arabian. This reminds me of the same one. Right now I am really enjoying it because it has some raspberry, lychee, a little bit of rose. I don't detect, it is not a rose heavy scent. It is basically lychee with some incense, lychee and you can say raspberry with some incense right now. A little bit of saffron, I think that is the powderiness in it. You can see I am digging my nose in it. It's really nicely done. Okay, so the official notes they have also included peach, agarwood. I think agarwood is the incense you can sense when you burn it. There is a little bit of touch of that. It is from my angle, it is a very Arabian kind of sweet, you can say fruity kind of incensey perfume. So if you love Arabian perfumes or Arabian Oriental kind of fruity, incensey kind of perfumes, this is for you. And I really enjoy this one. I actually am keeping it. I try to sell it, but I think I'm not going to. Very nice incensey lychee fruit. So it is raspberry, lychee and incense. That is all I'm getting. They also say that there is teak wood in it and agarwood in it. Agarwood and teak wood, basically I think it is the incensey note that is there, and then it's totally on the fruity side, fruity, incensey and sweet. So for women, I think this is a really perfect kind of perfume. I didn't enjoy its dry down because I don't like powdery scents, but I think in the winter it can work because in winter powdery scents are, you can say if there is a little bit powderiness in a scent, it is good. It can stand in the winter, but in the summer I think this is not for summer scent. Sweet incense, I'm getting a lot of vibe from their perfume Abiad, Swiss Arabian Oud Abiad, which is the black one, black bottle, and I think a little bit of vanilla now. So vanilla is coming right now. So start is lychee with some incense, very sweet lychee, with some raspberry. I don't detect much rose over here. Then now it is coming to the mid or the you can say dry down. It is vanilla with some incense, and now the fruitiness is a little bit gone. So this is a really nice scent for women. If you are into these kind of scents, this you are going to enjoy a lot. So this is my short review about this Anara Oud. I really love this incensey, fruity, a little bit of powdery kind of scent. I hope you have enjoyed this review about this Anara. And if you have any suggestions or if you have tried this one, you can comment in the description or in the comments below. And I'm going to put the link to buy this one. This is not you can say affiliate link, just a link, so you can buy this one for the US. And from the US, there's US website. I actually fell in love with a Swiss Arabian brand when I started my perfume journey. I think I ordered almost all of their perfumes. I'm going to review a few more after this. So this is for women, very nice, fruity incense. That is all I can give it a name, very simple, fruity incense. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and share this video with others. If you have any comments or suggestions or questions, you can ask them in the comments below. I will meet you soon in another video with another scent. Till then, take care and bye bye.